So welcome back to my channel. I'm super duper excited. I got my May Boxy Charm. I'm so excited. Those of you who don't know what Boxy is, it's a subscription box service for makeup, and you get 4 to 5 products every month. Different makeup products, skincare, sometimes it's like home stuff, like water bottles, things like that, things for your health. I really love it because full-size products, and it only costs $25. So for $25 you get 4 full-size products, and every box is over $100 worth of makeup or products inside of it. So I am somebody who loves it. So I'm really excited. We're gonna unbox this. I have an idea of kind of what I want to do. Let's see if this box can help me. I've already put on my complexion products. I have foundation and concealer on, and my brows are done, because I know that we're not getting any complexion and I'm not getting any concealer products in this month's box. Every month they show on their Instagram what products you should be looking forward to and the different types of variations of the boxes. And so I don't think I saw a brow product. That's why I did my brows, so hopefully there's no brow product in here. But I know for sure this month didn't have foundation or concealer, so I am excited to see what's in here. Hopefully I get some eye products so that I could try a little look. And we'll see, because I definitely saw a video of Arnell Armand had a video about creating a fox eye, and I hadn't actually known this was a thing. So that put me on. Apparently this has been a trend a couple months, and it's like Bella Hadid started it. So I'm gonna attempt to do that fox look. And then she also does like a facelift makeup that I've never tried before. So it's gonna be a fun day today. Whoops. It's gonna be a fun day today because I'm gonna try to do some different makeup technique today for the hell of it. And I'll also link the card to her video of how she did it. She also was just kind of like going with the flow and seeing how it went, and she was feeling her snatch. So I was super excited because I was like, whoa. If she's this excited about how she looks, let me try this. Let's see how it goes. I'll give it a shot. And you can see I'm gonna, do it whatever way I can, because I obviously don't have all the products she used or the specific things she used, but I'll see what I can pull together. Oh, in our box. Oh no. What is this? This month they didn't give me a card. I don't know if there's a reason. There's no little, usually they have like a card that gives you all your items and how much they cost, but since it's not in the box, I'll just put it at the bottom of the screen, probably, the items and how much they cost, their full names and stuff, because I don't have them. So this is Ayam Beauty Care Dead Sea Mineral Plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. So I'm excited about this, only because I know I can't use it in this video, but I ran out of my normal like Pond's moisture wipes is what I use normally, and I ran out, and I've been lazy. I don't want to suit up for the pharmacy to go to CVS and buy myself face wipes. Now the next thing I got that isn't makeup is Daily Concept Shampoo Bar. So, okay, it's a bar of shampoo, I assume. I've never tried a bar of shampoo, so this should be interesting. Oh, it's on like, it's soap on a rope. Is it? Okay, so it's like a bar of shampoo, alright. Self-explanatory, Zuheila. Woo! So, it smells really good though. It kind of smells a little bit like tea tree oil. It says it has avocado oil, maple cactus, and aloe. But it smells really nice. It smells clean and fresh. Alright. Oh, this was my choice product this month. So every month you get an email and it gives you 3 to 4 products, or 3 products and then surprise me as an option that you can choose. So this was the one that I chose. So this one's a skincare, so I'm not using it yet I will be using it tonight. It is the Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. You know what this smells like? This smells like childhood. It smells like, I don't know if any of you, I'm old, so I don't know who's watching this, but I'm old. If you guys remember back in the 90s, late 90s, right? Late 90s, I was like 8, 9 years old, and they had the Body Shop. I don't even know if the Body Shop exists anymore. I haven't seen one in a long time, but I also don't go to malls, and I know that's where body shops usually are. I don't go to the mall. I get migraines from all the bright lights. I just hate the mall. The mall is my least favorite place in the world to be. I also don't like trying on clothes, so I'm not somebody who's like, hey, let's go to the mall and hang out. Not me. So I remember as a kid, the Body Shop had a chapstick that had like little glitters in it, and it smelled like this. It was like berries, and it was like the Body Shop Kids or some line that was meant for like young girls who wanted to act like they wore makeup, and at that age I was already into makeup, and I thought I was the shit. Put on my little chapstick. Now I realize it's chapstick, not lipstick. But it smells like that. This smells like childhood right now. It smells like that berry, the Body Shop chapstick. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please let me know. And then I got a Pretty Vulgar, what is this? Eyeshadow primer, and I don't actually own any other eyeshadow primer right now. So this is good. It's something I don't have a lot of, so I love when I get stuff that I don't have a lot of so that I could try it and see how it goes. So this is exciting. And our last product in the box, so we really only got 2 makeup products, by the way. The last product is a eyeshadow palette, and that is Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette. And it looks like a lot of like little neutral tones, and then they added a little like dusty peach color. Alright, so we're going to go in with our Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. So we're going to see how this works, how this performs. Let's see. Let's have the scent. It's like a little pori bottle. Doesn't smell like anything, but you know, I'm going to try anyway. I'm just going to put it on my finger. I'm not going to go take out another brush. Ooh, that's super creamy. I might have put on too much. It does take away some of the color. I definitely put on way too much on this eye. We're gonna keep going. I do love Pretty Vulgar products, but let's see how this one is. This is so sticky. I definitely put way too much in this eye, and I got a whole bunch of it in my lashes. Like a very neutral look. People mostly use brown, so I'm gonna just start by going in with the shade Bare. It's this third one right here, Bare. I'm gonna dip into that. Yeah, it has some fallout, so tap your brush. You don't wanna get all over the place. And I'm just gonna start at my inner corner and outline that place where I would normally wing, pretty much. And ooh, this eyeshadow this primer is super sticky. This might not have been the best eyeshadow primer to do this look with. Okay. They're also just like cool tone. There's only one shade that I think is a little warmer, so let's go in right here on this last shade, Fate. Now I'm just gonna take that shade Blush, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid and then blend it out. I'm gonna go in with the Hank & Henry Slick With It liner, and I'm just going to line the top of my lid. I'm not gonna wing it, obviously, but I'm just gonna line right across my lid. So now that that is done, I have my lashes on and I went back in with that liner. I made sure that like that was a nice clean line over my eyelashes. And now I'm gonna go in. I have concealer on already, but I am gonna go in, and so this is the second part of the look that Armand did. And so what it is pretty much, besides the eyes being lifted, it's then the face, and I've never done my makeup this way, so this is gonna be an interesting way. Girl looked snatched in that video, and she was feeling herself so hard that I had to try, cause why not? So first, she puts her highlight shade right from like right under that corner area, and she just and now we're gonna brighten that same area that we put the highlight here by from the eyes back with the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I'm gonna stick to the Park Ave Princess for my bronzer as well. I am gonna go into Princess Cut, and that is going to be my bronzing shade. So I am going to be, this is gonna be super weird because I've never knocked on all the way down with bronzer, so this is gonna be hard. So pretty much you're finding that same hollow that you would always find when you're doing your bronzer or contour, and you're going to follow it and then just stop right there. So that's the area that I'm gonna be doing this in, and I'm gonna see how that goes. So I'm gonna brush off that brightening powder. So now that I have that powder off, now that I know I'm not adding any more concealer, I'm just gonna add that last shade Fate that we use to deepen that look and put that on my lower lash line. But again, I'm not gonna go in all the way. I'm gonna just go about halfway. So now for blush, I'm gonna be using No Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in 05 Desert Rose. This is a Canadian brand. I got this, I believe, in a Boxy, and it is such a pretty, I broke the container, but this is the shade, starting from the outside so that I don't mess this up. Okay, I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm gonna add it little by little and see how I feel. All right, and then for highlight, there was no highlight on her cheeks, so I'm just gonna stick with the program. She didn't use highlight on her cheeks, she just used it along her nose. So I'm gonna put some tip of my nose. Woo! And I forgot to tell you guys, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby killawatt highlighters. It's hitting pan finally, and I'm like, uh-oh. And this is Dose of Color in Nude Mood. So I'm gonna set my makeup now with the NYX Dewy Setting Spray. It's one of my favorite products. So that's it for today's look. Today's Boxy was super fun. There's a lot of products I couldn't use for you on screen. My final review on the eye, like my first impression of this eyeshadow primer, is like I liked the way the eyeshadows go on it. Like I'm looking at it now and I'm like, oh, it looks super, super good. but I did make a huge mistake in putting on too much on this eye. So I have like this crusty like ring that looks like, you know, Elmer's glue ring where like it needs to be peeled right here. Not cute, but now I know. Usually that card that I said is missing tells you how to use a product, and there are no instructions on this, so it's their fault, not mine. All right. I'm gonna do it. It's not my fault. And the eyeshadows performed well. Like, they did what they're supposed to do. They're neutral shades. They did what they were supposed to do, and they work. This technique, I want to get on this technique now that she just, like, I feel like my face looks really good right now. And also just like the eye look in general, like I love a wing liner, but a wing liner can be really strenuous sometimes when you're in a rush. I feel like this I could pull off so much quicker for a night out than having to do a whole eye look and then a wing liner and everything else. Like, I feel like this is a very manageable look, and I think this is a great beginner look. Hey, make sure to leave your comments below. I have so much fun doing these videos, and if you like the video, please make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, I know you want to, and watch another video while you at it, girl.